Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off speech recognition on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you want to do is right click on the Windows Start icon, and then you want to select Settings. Select the accessibility option on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you get to speech and go ahead and select that again underneath interaction. So at this point, you can go ahead and turn on Windows Speech Recognition, and you can walk through the on-screen prompts about setting that up. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.